Welcome back into the garden. Here is early September in our crazy cottage garden high in the Rocky Mountains, lazy girl method. Everything's planted together. The flowers are almost all going to seed now, and a lot of other things. Some greens and veggies, but I came out into the garden to specifically get some really good photos so that I could have them in the dead of winter to study and sketch and paint and remember how wonderful our quick but beautiful growing season is. So our hollyhocks are doing beautifully. The Queen Anne's lace is getting ready to throw thousands of seeds all over. Yummy, edible nasturtiums. But my favorite are the zinnias, I think. They're so colorful and different, every single one. They're funny. Here is some chive flowering allium, a drying zinnia, and they're just so fun and funny, and I want to study them and the different kinds of leaves and flowers going to seed, and the hollyhocks with their little adorable little seed packets wrapped up like little gifts all the way up and down the stem. Our beautiful David Austin roses, bachelor's buttons. I brought them in. I brought some in and made them pose so that I could remember and study. And I love playing with them in photo and art apps. If you would like to see how that is done, just let me know. It's a great way to study how you may want to sketch or paint. So thank you for joining me for a quick little tour, and enjoy the rest of your garden season.